How to look younger and prevent wrinkles naturally. In a world obsessed with youthful appearances, many people turn to creams, serums, and even Botox to battle wrinkles and other signs of aging. While these methods may provide temporary results, they only address the surface of the problem. The real secret to maintaining a youthful appearance lies within. In this guide, you'll learn how to prevent premature aging and even reverse some of its effects using proven, natural anti-aging hacks. What causes premature aging? Before diving into the solutions, it's crucial to understand what causes premature aging. Lifestyle factors like poor diet, chronic stress, smoking, and excessive sun exposure play a significant role. These habits lead to oxidative stress, a condition where free radicals damage your skin and other cells. Furthermore, aging accelerates due to declining production of essential substances like collagen and elastin, which are critical for skin elasticity. Environmental factors, such as pollution and UV radiation, also contribute to aging by breaking down your skin's natural protective barrier. Internal factors like hormonal imbalances, dehydration, and a lack of essential nutrients further exacerbate the issue. By addressing these root causes, you can slow down the aging process and maintain youthful skin from the inside out. Vitamin D. For anti-aging, vitamin D is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, and for a good reason. It plays a vital role in skin health and overall well-being. Low levels of vitamin D are associated with accelerated skin aging and poor immune function. This vitamin helps your body repair damaged tissues, reduce inflammation, and protect against UV-related damage. To harness the anti-aging power of vitamin D, aim for 10 to 30 minutes of sunlight exposure daily, depending on your skin tone and climate. Additionally, you can incorporate vitamin D-rich foods into your diet, such as fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified products. If necessary, a high-quality supplement can help maintain optimal levels. Collagen. The key to youthful skin. Collagen is a structural protein that gives your skin strength and elasticity. Unfortunately, collagen production declines as we age, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a loss of firmness. To combat this, consider adding collagen-boosting foods like bone broth, citrus fruits, and leafy greens to your diet. You can also take hydrolyzed collagen supplements, which are easily absorbed by the body. Studies show that regular collagen supplementation can improve skin hydration, elasticity, and overall texture. Additionally, vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, so don't forget to include foods like oranges, bell peppers, and strawberries in your meals. Anti-aging foods and nutrients. Your diet is one of the most powerful tools for preventing premature aging. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant-rich foods can neutralize free radicals and support healthy skin. Some of the best anti-aging foods include berries, packed with antioxidants. Berries like blueberries and raspberries fight oxidative stress and improve skin health. Avocados, rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, avocados hydrate the skin and reduce inflammation. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which promote youthful skin. Leafy greens, spinach and kale are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that combat skin damage. Green tea. Its polyphenols protect against UV damage and improve skin elasticity. Protein and aging. Protein is a critical nutrient for maintaining youthful skin and overall health. It supports cell regeneration and helps produce collagen and elastin. Make sure to include high-quality protein sources in your diet, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. Plant-based options like tofu and quinoa are also excellent choices. Remember, your body requires consistent protein intake to repair and rebuild tissues. Aim for at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, or more if you're active. Other anti-aging tips in addition to diet and supplementation, here are a few lifestyle changes that can make a significant difference. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and flushing out toxins. Manage stress. Chronic stress accelerates aging by increasing cortisol levels, which break down collagen. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. Get quality sleep. During sleep, your body repairs damaged tissues. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Protect your skin. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Reverse aging with this anti-aging hack. One of the most effective hacks for reversing aging is intermittent fasting. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, triggers a process called autophagy, where your cells clean out damaged components and regenerate. This process can improve skin health, reduce inflammation, and even increase longevity. Start with a simple 12-hour fasting window and gradually increase it to 16 hours for optimal results. Combine it with the above tips for a comprehensive anti-aging strategy. By focusing on internal health through nutrition, hydration, and lifestyle changes, you can naturally prevent wrinkles and maintain a youthful glow for years to come.